Right now I'm going to show you some very basic techniques for measuring windows, doors, and patio doors in advance of your virtual call with one of our sales representatives. The only tools that you're going to need are a pen, paper, and tape measure. When measuring your basic window, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to measure between the existing jamb space. We like to start with the base, then we can check the upper portion, and then at the center. This window is 22¼ inch wide. Now that we have the width of our window, we want to measure the height of our window. It's going to be the exact same process, just up and down instead of side to side. So we're going to check our first spot of measurement, and our second spot of measurement. And then again, just for good practice, we're going to check the center space. The height of this window, jamb to jamb, is 60½ inches. After you've measured the width and the height of your window, we're going to ask for the depth of the window. First things first, remove your screen, and then we're going to want to open the window to the exterior. Run your tape measure from the far exterior to the edge of the wall. The depth of this window is 8½ inches. When measuring a sliding patio door, you're going to measure it very much like your standard square or rectangular window. That is to say, you're going to measure within the existing jamb space. Interior jamb to interior jamb of this door is 68½. Then when you're ready to measure the height of your door, you're going to measure from the top jamb to the floor base. The height of this door from the top of jamb to the floor base is 79½ inches. Once you've measured the width and the height of your patio door, just like on your window, we're going to check the depth of the door. The depth of this door is 7¼ inches. When measuring a door or patio door, we're going to also ask you to check the exterior measurements. This is very simple. We're just going to ask you to measure from the exterior side to side, top to bottom. However, if you have a brick exterior, we're going to also ask you for the measurements of the brick to brick and from the lintel at the top to the base. Finally, we're going to measure your standard hinge style door. This is a very easy measurement to complete. We're going to ask that you measure the width of the slab and the height of the slab. Much like with your patio door, after measuring the width and the height of the slab, we're going to ask that you measure the depth of the door frame. Again, it's easiest to do this by measuring the sill of the door. The sill of this door is 8½ inches deep. We understand that the windows and doors in your house may not necessarily look like the windows and doors that we've measured here today. All we're asking for is for you to provide us with an approximate measurement so that the quote we provide you is as accurate as possible considering price and style. We hope that you stay safe and healthy during these unprecedented times, and we look forward to helping you further.